We all miss the sound of engines, so let's fire it up. Good morning, everybody, and all you Ford fans. It's Talladega weekend, and I'm really excited. I've been working from home. Everybody at Roush Yates has been working at our manufacturing facility to make PPE for our healthcare and first responders, and I'm really proud of what Ford Motor Company is doing, making ventilators and really stepping up like they always have. Today, I want to show you around my workshop, my dad's history, Robert Yates Racing. I'm really excited, and thank you for joining. Everybody knows that I love racing at Talladega, and that love for Talladega started in 1989 when my dad and Davey Allison won their first race together. Since then, Ford Performance and Roush Yates have won 8 out of the last 9 races, and we can't wait to carry that on this season. In 2004, Jack Roush and Robert Yates formed Roush Yates Racing Engines. In our very first season together, we won the championship with Kurt Busch. Jack was so excited he decided to give me one of these Stage 3 Mustangs. Mark Roush from Ford Performance. Hey Mark. Yes sir. I'm on it. Let's go win this championship.